Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to wash your wheels and wash your brake calipers. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the stuff that you're going to need. You're going to need a tire brush,
a wheel brush, and a bucket of water.
You can use Simple Green. You can use a special wheel and tire cleaner, or you can also use just regular some car wash soap. Alright guys, as you can see, the wheel is pretty dirty. Look how dirty that is. That's a shame. So I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and wash your rims, your wheels, and your brake calipers. Alright guys, so it's good to have two buckets of water here. One for your clean water and one for your dirty brushes. So if you don't have a water hose or access to a water hose, you can always just use a cup, and that's what we're going to use here today. So what I like to do is wet the wheel a little bit. Just throw some water up in there. Okay, now that we got it all watered up, we'll go ahead and use the wheel and tire cleaner. I like this a little bit better than the other two options, just because it's a little bit more aggressive, but not too much that it's going to mess up your wheels. So we just soak it. Make sure you get the brake caliper. You can already see the brown coming off the tire. Okay, once you got the tire soaked, you're just going to let it set for about maybe 5 minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and spray a little bit more on. We're going to go ahead and dunk it in and just start going around. Going into all the little crevices.
We can dip it back in here.
Now these brushes are meant for the rims and tires, so they're not going to scratch up anything, so they're safe to use. And then for your brake caliper, hopefully if your rim or tire lets you, you can get in here without having to take the wheel off. So just make sure you guys get in there really good. Then you can switch over to your other tool, your other brush. So you just get your other wheel brush, come up on your tire, go all the way around. Now this one's a little bit more hard bristle, so you don't want to touch your rim with it because it will scratch it. So once you guys have done that, you can come back over here and just rinse your tire back off. Look at all that coming out. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at all that black coming off, that dirt. So now you guys can always go and do another coat and do another round if it's really bad. You can still see it pretty bad, but what I like to do, and what is going to be the magic part, is some microfiber towels. So you're just going to come in here, start basically drying everything off, but as you're doing that, you're cleaning the rims as well. Look at that. So you're going to end up using quite a bit of these if your vehicle's dirty, your tires or your rims are dirty. Then you want to come in here, start working on your brake caliper. Now it would be easier, a lot easier to take off the rim, take off your wheel and be able to get in here, access it better and clean it better, but I got pretty good access and I just want what you can actually see to be clean, just for show. So I will bring you guys back when I have this all cleaned up and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so we're getting down to the final stretch. Looking pretty good. This is just a quick cleaning. Quick way to show you how to just clean your tires and your rims. Okay guys, so we put some Extreme Tire Shine by ArmorAll on, and we're just gonna let that set. And when you spray it on, you're gonna get a little overspray on your rims, but then you just go back through and just wipe them off. No big deal. Take your microfiber towel on the edge, just go all the way around, and then you can come in, clean it up just a little bit. So we just sprayed it, the tire shine on. We're gonna let it set for 15 minutes. It takes that long to dry. I don't know if you can see on camera, there's some water marks around the rim, around the tire. That will dry completely and it will disappear within 15 minutes. So, I mean, there you go. It's pretty simple way to clean your wheels, your calipers, and your tires. There's no right or wrong way to do it. You can use multiple products. There's not just one set product, but this is the basic way to do it. The reason why I went ahead and did this job today and put it on camera for you, I mean, as you can see, the car needs to be washed and detailed and everything. But the reason why I did it today was because I have a subscriber that was asking me how I do detail my rims and tires and calipers. So here it is. This is pretty simple, not too hard. I mean, if you really want to get in there and spend all day doing this, you could take the tire off and go in there, clean your rotors, your calipers, and then the inside of your wheel. But yeah, this is a pretty simple way. So there you go. We'll bring you back and show you the final product in just a moment. And welcome back, guys. So here is the finished product. A lot better than what we started off with. So if you would like to pick up some of the stuff that I used today, I will put a link in the description below. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, put them in the description below, comment section below, and I will try to answer those. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification if you would like to be informed of new videos that I post. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.